we will work on database for Crud operation. We have already installed this part, and in the next section we are going to create a database. So now let's go to localhost and then phpMyAdmin for creating a new database. Okay, so now here I'm going to create a new database called product. Here, product, and then create. And that's it. Now let's go to, and now we will go into the folder of Laravel and then open here this file called .env. This file actually contains the database information where you can configure and modify the database connection. Okay, so this is the file you have to open, and inside this file we need to change here database name. So our database name is product, then here root and password will be blank because this is localhost and this is Windows. If your machine is Mac, then you have to write here root and root. So that's it in the database connection. And now let's follow our next step. And in the next step we will create table. Okay, so our created table name will be products. So what we will do, let's go to our command prompt once again and press Ctrl C, and then here. So the command is php make migration create products table -- create then products. So this is our table name. Now press enter. Okay, you can see successfully a schema has been generated. So now if you go to our folder here into database and then migration, you can see this newly created database schema. Now let's double click on this and open. In here we need to add some additional fields like this. So these three fields we are adding here: prod name, description and price. Okay, so that's it in this file. And now let's go. Now we will write a command called php-migrate. So this will php-migrate. We need to write this command from this tool, artisan tool. This will generate a new table into our database. This table will be generated into phpMyAdmin, in fact into MySQL. Okay, so now press enter. Oh, here is database name error, so I think I need to go to env file here and the product. Sorry guys, so there was a small spelling mistake here. That is right. Now let's go once again here and click on migrate. Okay, so now each tables has been created into our phpMyAdmin. If you want to see and verify, then let's go to there, and if you refresh here this table, this database actually, then you can see the tables created here. Here you can see, so these are default migrations, password resets, users. These are the defaults one which has been also created, and this is our table which we specified there into the file. And so if you click here, then you can see also the structure. If you click on this structure, then you can see the field's name, and also you can see here these are the fields name: product name, description, price, created at, updated at. So these are the fields created here. So that's it in this video, and in the next video I will show you how we will be creating controllers and models also, and how we will configure and other stuffs also. So thanks for watching this video, and continue watching the next video.